Mwancho Mulgeria nigo ekyombekeria kya GUSII Young Leaders yonse yokugose nigo banoiga bakorere egeikaro asomochio Nairobi ase bakwanire emechando abasa bagwetera nabo igo chinchira barache konyara gose kugayana emechando eyo ekyombeke boigo nigo kiarure okoboria gochi asabasaya kwemokerera igoro na kurwanira ebirogo abege siasa eriyo amariyo gyabo anyare konyara kagwekana imeyense ya Kenya. Murikito kurense ya Nairobi Linet Nyambane ni wakoreta ara wika asensemeyo na gutorania roboti rokubwatia
ABASE korwa orogongo rwa GUSII abo bakora egasi ase chisekta ao imeyense bakorire egeikaro ase omobaganio yomo imeyo mucho Nairobi ase bakwanire amang'ana ao ABASE bekegorie kebagwetera bakoragwa n'omunyakerogobo Duke Maingichate nigo batebire chingaki cheikire ABASE babwenerete gutiga kwemurungania baimokerere igoro na kugayana emechando eyebwatiranetie.
Our forum is called the GUSII Young Professionals Forum. Its agenda mainly is to focus on the problems that the young people go through and find a solution that is positive and impactful to the community. We've had a very good morning meeting that will culminate to a plan that will be releasing very in the coming weeks that will guide us on the way forward on how we will be able to tackle the problems that young people are going through.
Kirenga gite kenene nkiringe tuigwana na ngabono ntori guchikonya kuyane binera buna abantu konye batunarite bono go tutagete guchikoba abasani kero mwana omina azukire busyo gendo keritu atebete ngai tokumuzuguma bakagende busyo pi. That's what we are going to do in Eserugerie Kenyamurero Ekotebanga. We are going to complement each other. We are not going to compete with each other.
ABASE abo boigo nigo bakwanire amaroro n'okugania kwabo ase ABASE bonsi imeyense.
Totegerere nga mboko unki abaringoria babarweire babugate. Mboko unki abarimu babugate. Mboko unki abaremi babugate. Very young people, because we must safeguard our future as young people. Abagaka ba minto ntobasigete egento turanga niguchi bosyoga no bosemi ekero bakubange mekutano for instance elito guchichamo bune community bono tuamwire buna omusao mwanyagitinge ndori guchigochoro buna abantu bali bakubasira use bakubasuguma etogocho buna stakeholders togoikaranza at the central point egere na into eriogirie itorikore kirigwekane
boigo nigo baereire buna egesa kukyomo GUSII nigo kiremaega asogosira ABASE chingaki bakurwanirira ebirogo ao bya gisiasa korenganirwa nebisa kubinde are nayo nigo boigo bakwanire etaro yabarai ba GUSII gocha enyumba y'oburai bwense.
What I will say, the visit to State House, let teachers go there, let engineers go there, let's look at the results. After their meetings, now we will be able to see what comes out of that meeting. But let's not make State House look like a hell of a place. State House is not hell. State House is our facility. It's like going to the office of the president or going to the office of the member of parliament.
Goripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omochio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.